welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be doing a glam Halloween look. Yes, a Glamoween look. I'm here for it. I'm really here for it. I'm excited. I never usually do Halloween looks. Last year I only did like one or two, and obviously last year I didn't have my YouTube. So this year I thought, why don't I do a couple more Halloween looks and also film one? But I wanted to film one that was going to be like easy for everyone to kind of do. So yes, we're going to do that. I'm going to mainly stick to my eyes and to my lips as I want them to be the main focus. I'm not going to go too crazy. It's going to be quite simple, as it's something I wanted everyone to be able to create without, I don't know, breaking the bank or going out and spending other money on like fake blood and all that kind of stuff. No, we're not doing that. We're doing a glam look. We're going to go ahead and jump straight on into it. I use this one as last year he did release this palette, and it is Halloween inspired. If you've never seen the inside, she looks like this. Well, can we just talk about that packaging first? Like, can we actually just talk about packaging? Look at this. Oh, it looks like a book. Like, how flipping cute is that? And on the inside, all the names are like inspired by witches, I believe, I think. Yeah, they're all inspired by witches. So you've got like Hermione, which is obviously from Harry Potter. You've got Mary, which is from Hocus Pocus. You've got someone else in here as well. Sabrina, obviously, Sabrina Teenage Witch. Packaging is a bit, you know, so you can't really see the shades, but yeah, there we go. Looks better. So I thought we'd use this today. I'm actually going to be doing a green look, a green eye look. I was going to do purple, then I kind of thought I've already done a purple eye look for Halloween, so I wanted to do something more green. So we're going to go ahead and jump on into this palette. So yes, I'll zoom you guys in and then we'll go straight on into it. Off camera, using the ABH eye primer as always. You know me, you know that's a go-to, so yes. I'm going to go ahead and take the first shade. I'm going to take the shade Marnie, which is this green shade here. I have used this palette before. I used it last year and I was obsessed. Can we just talk about how this shade actually matches my jumper? We're just packing this through the crease. Honestly guys, with this palette you could probably use like the same technique as me, but you could do like a purple look, or you could even use like more browny shades and just do a simple neutral eye. But today I wanted to go green for Halloween. Love it. Now I've packed this shade out, I'm going to take the shade Bonnie, which is this green shade here. It's like a brighter green shade. I'm going to start to blend this out. Sorry, the first brush that I used was the MORPHE, the Beauty Bay Throw shade brush, my favourite like packing brush. And then I'm going to go into the MORPHE X Jacqueline Hill JH40 brush, which looks like this. Just taking that Bonnie shade. Honestly guys, I just wanted to do like a more like glam look. So if you are like me and you're not really massive into Halloween looks, you can still create a Glamoween look, which is obviously what I was going for. These two shades together are gorgeous. And then I'm just going to keep going back into both shades, building them up, getting them to how I kind of want them. And then just going to take a clean, like, fluffy brush. This is the MORPHE M433 brush, just to like blend out the edges. And then I'm going to go ahead, just cut my crease off camera, and then we'll be back to do the lid shade together. So yeah, I'll be right back. Just cut my crease off camera, obviously. Now for the lid shade, I don't really know what to use. Like, no. I'm feeling like Mary. I I really like the shade Hermione as well. Maybe I can like mix them two together almost. Hermione's a little bit more like sheer almost, whereas them two are more like boom, you know, they pack a bit of a punch. So I'm going to take the shade Mary first. I'm going to start with that like on the outer part of the cut crease. Such a pretty shade. So pretty. It's got some really nice like reflex in it. I'm then going to take the shade Hermione, which is that like more bronzy gold shade, which is this one down here, and I put that on the like inner corner portion, if that makes sense, the bit that I've like left blank. Again, this one is it feels more like firmly pressed in the pan. Still, that's really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of the Beauty Bay Living My Best Light liquid crystal eyeshadow, which is like this gold shade. And I'm just going to like put this, I'm going to use a brush, and I'm just going to put this like on the inner portion where that Hermione shade is, just to make it stand out a little bit more, you know, like pack a bit more of a punch. That is gorgeous. I'm just going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, put some lashes on, do the rest of my face makeup, and then we'll be back to do the lips. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. Like I just said, I've done the rest of my face off camera. For the lower lash line, I pretty much used just the two green shades. For my inner corner highlight, I did take the Doll Light highlighter in the shades Shine Bright? No, Like a Diamond, sorry. Mine is a little bit broken. I did drop it and yeah. But I love this. I've also got this as my highlighter today. So yeah, obviously the base is quite natural, I would say, and that's kind of how I wanted it. I did also apply some black eyeliner on my waterline, and I'm living. Okay, so now I'm moving on to lips. I'm thinking of taking this shade, a black, only on Halloween, right? So this is the Luna Beauty liquid lipstick in this shade Wicked. So we're going to apply this. I might apply a gloss on top, I'm not too sure, we'll just kind of see. Because now that I've applied this shade, I probably shouldn't do this. However, I am going to try because, yes. I'm going to take the, again, the Luna Beauty gloss. This is in the shade Enchantment. I'm going to apply this on top. I probably shouldn't because it kind of looks good like this. However, we're going to do it because we're here now. Why the hell not? I love his gloss formula. I am just going to use a brush to apply this. This has a bit of like a purpley pink reflect in it, so I'm excited to see what it looks like on top of the gloss. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. So I think we're going to leave it like this. I did just apply a little bit obviously in the centre. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Like I said, I wanted to do more of like a glam look, and I felt this is quite glam, and you know, it's quite wearable other than the black lip, but it is more obviously Halloween inspired. So I'm kind of living for it. I would definitely wear this on Halloween if I was going out. I'm not going out, I'm staying in, but yeah, just letting you know. So yeah, I wanted it to be quite wearable, so you guys could recreate it if you wanted to. I am obsessed. I actually really like it. I think it looks so nice with the green and the black lip. Like I said before, you could always do the same exact look with the same exact palette, but instead you could literally just use the purples and still get a really cute look. Still go for the black lip and it would look amazing. But yeah, I'm obsessed. You can even use like whatever palette you want. You could use greens, purples to do the same kind of eye look, and it would be gorgeous. Yeah, let me know down below what is your favourite Halloween movie of all time. Mine is Hocus Pocus. I literally live for it. So yes, I'll be watching that this year on Halloween as I'm not going out. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please remember to get a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it would have really helped me out. Everything else that I'm wearing on my face, of course, I'll link down below in the description box, so you can go and check it out if you want to. As always, I believe in my Instagram and Twitter handle up above and also in the description box down below, so you can go and follow me there if you want to. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!